I was getting a lot of brake squeak from this weird rear brake. So when I took the pins out, this pin came out. And this one was like stuck in here. I had to use a chisel and a hammer. As you see little marks there, just to get it off. These are supposed to slide in and out freely. So once I got it off, it was all rusty. So I just hit it with the wire brush. Got off all the rust, off all the clips. And now we're gonna put some caliper glide pin grease back on these. Put the rubber boot back on. And you want to make sure they slide freely. I'm pretty sure that's why my brakes were squeaking, because this one was stuck. So probably only one half of the brake was even moving. So that's a bonus. It should brake a lot easier. So yeah, if you're getting brake squeak, make sure you check, make sure your slide pins are okay. They got to be well greased in there, be able to move freely.